Hello, good people. Greetings from Plus, your go-to partner for everything from web development and customization to support and optimization. Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to backup your entire WordPress website for free using one of the most popular plugins out there, UpdraftPlus. This tool is fast and super effective, and I will walk you through everything step by step, from installation to restoring a backup. Before we jump in, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up and share it with someone who runs a WordPress website. Alright, let's get started. So first things first, what exactly is UpdraftPlus? UpdraftPlus is a WordPress backup and restore plugin that allows you to backup your entire site, including your files, themes, plugins, and database, with just a few clicks. It currently has over 3 million active installs and thousands of 5-star reviews on WordPress.org, which makes it one of the most trusted backup plugins available. It supports manual and automatic schedule backups and even lets you store your backups remotely on your Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. Also supports Amazon S3 and many other options. So let's jump into the WordPress dashboard. So this is our dashboard. On the left hand side, we'll hover over the plugins and click on Add Plugin. In the search bar on the top right, we will type UpdraftPlus. So you will see the plugin appear. It's called UpdraftPlus WP Backup and Migration Plugin. We will click Install now. So our plugin has been installed. We will click on Activate. Now we will click on this cross icon. After activating the UpdraftPlus plugin, we will get an admin menu called UpdraftPlus. That's it. The plugin is now active on your WordPress website. After activation, we will go to UpdraftPlus and backup and restore. From here, on the left side, we will see a big blue button that says Backup Now. Click on it. We will click on this one. A small window will pop up with a few options. One is include your database in the backup, include your files, plugins, themes, upload, and etc. Optional will be only allow this backup to be deleted manually. So we will click Backup Now. Make sure the two of the boxes are checked and then click on the Backup Now again. The plugin will start backing up your WordPress website. Depending on the size of your website, this may take a few seconds or several minutes. Once it's done, you will see your backup listed below with the options to restore, download, and delete. As you can see, our existing backup, we have created the backup already, and we have the option restore, delete, and view logs. To keep your website truly safe, you can download your backup files to your computer. Just click on each part, for example, database, plugins, themes, and uploads, and save them locally. For example, if I click on database, I can download it and save them locally. This way, even if your website crashes, you will still have everything backed up offline. So we will get an option called download to your computer. We will hit this one. As you can see, we have downloaded it. Now doing this manually every week can be tiring. So let's automate it. Click on the settings tab. We'll go to the settings. Here you can set how often you want your backups to run. Backup manually, we can backup every 2 hours, every 4 hours, every 8 hours, and so on. We have the option to daily, weekly, and monthly as well. You can set separate schedule for your files and database. You can choose how many backups to keep. Once you have set it up, scroll down and click Save Changes. And we have the Save Changes option. And this is the option for files backup schedule, database backup schedule. We can configure it as well. UpdraftPlus also allow you to store backups on remote storage platform. In the same settings tab, scroll down and choose where you want to save your backups. For example, Google Drive, Dropbox, Google Cloud, Amazon S3, Microsoft OneDrive, and so on. Click on your preferred option, connect your account, and UpdraftPlus will automatically send backups there. This is one of the best ways to protect your site from server crashes and hacks. Now let's talk about restore a backup. Let's say your website breaks or you accidentally delete something. No worries, UpdraftPlus makes it super easy to restore. Go back to the existing backup. For that, we'll click on backup and restore. So this is our existing backups. Find the backup you want and click restore. For example, this is the restore button. We'll click restore. Choose what you want to restore. For example, if we want to restore plugins, themes, uploads, must use plugins, others, and database, we'll click next and we'll hit restore. After a few moments, your website will be restored to the exact backup point. Easy as that. So as you can see, the restore has been successful. We'll click return to UpdraftPlus configuration. So this is how easy it is to restore a backup using UpdraftPlus. Let's quickly look at the free versus premium version of the UpdraftPlus. The free version already gives you everything you need: full backups, restore, and remote storage. But still, if we check the premium and extensions, the premium version adds some extra features like incremental backups, only backup changed file, automatic pre-update backups, website migration and cloning, multi-site and non-WordPress backups, also dedicated premium support. If you click on the upgrade now, we will be able to see the pricing. It starts from $70 per year for the personal package and go up depending on how many sites you manage. And that's it. You have successfully backed up your WordPress website using UpdraftPlus. Remember, always keep at least one recent backup saved offsite. It can save your hours of stress if your website ever breaks or get hacked. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials, and drop a comment below if you want me to cover how to restore or migrate your site using UpdraftPlus Premium. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.